Now in this video we are going to create our another section, and this time we are going to use inner section. You can see we have inner section widget right here. This time we are going to take a look at this inner section widget. First of all, let's create a new section, and I'm going to with one column right here, and again I'm going to change the minimum height to 500 pixels. Okay, and now I'm going to copy this heading and then simply paste it right here and change the style, and text color will be black, and I'm going to change the title to our services, and also I'm going to again copy and paste, change the style to black, and also I'm going to decrease the font size, something like this. Okay, now I'm going to the widget and I'm going to drag and drop this inner section right here, and now you can see we have this master section, and then in this section we have inner section, and in this inner section you can see we have these two columns and also this section, again something like this one and this one. So these blue buttons are same things, but the difference is this is the master section here and this is inner section. I'm going to edit inner section and change the content width to full width. So now we have full width of inner section, and I'm going to add another column. Right click on any these of columns and simply click on add new column. So now we have these three columns, and also I'm going to add some image right here, and I'm going to upload an image. So I have already downloaded my image. I can attach these images with course, so you can simply download these images. So I have uploaded this image. Simply click on insert media. Okay, now I'm going to copy this heading, copy and paste it right here, and I'm going to change this heading to web services, change the style, change the typography and something like this. Again I'm going to duplicate, and this time I'm going to use lorem ipsum. So this is the free text. I'm going to like this one and paste it right here and change the HTML tag to paragraph, and in the style change the weight to normal, and I'm going to decrease the size, and also in the line height select pixels and you can play with line height. Okay, so now we have created our this section right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this column. In the style I'm going to add background color to something like blue, like this one. Okay, and again in the advanced I'm going to add little bit of margin with 10 pixel, and also go to style, and in the border I'm going to change the border radius to 5 pixel, and also select the column and I'm going to increase the little bit of padding, something like to 20, and in the heading I'm going to change the font size to 14 and also decrease the context. Okay, so now you can see we have created our this section, and now instead of creating all these steps into these columns, you can simply delete these columns, delete this one, and now you can right click on this column right here and simply click on duplicate, and this will duplicate these columns for you. Now you can simply change these images, and you can simply change, and also you can in the image I'm going to increase the width, something like this. And again for this one, you can simply change the image, and then in the style simply play with width. Okay, so now again I can simply duplicate the inner section, and then I can simply change the position. Okay, so you can see we have created our services section, and now let's select the master section and change the minimum height to default, and we are going to use padding this time. Let me turn off these values, and for the top I'm going with 50, and for the bottom I'm going with 50 from the top and 50 from the bottom. And again in the style I'm going to add a little bit of the background color, something like this. Okay, and also for this text I'm going to change the color to white, for this one also. So this is how you can use inner sections in your website, and you can see how easily we have created these our services section with these images. And one more thing, when you select the edit image and in the style, you can also in the hover, you can also add hover image to grow. So you can see now the image is playing a hover animation, and now you can simply copy and simply paste style, paste style, paste style, paste style, and paste style. And you can see we have created these sections, and now we have pasted the image style to all our sections. And also you can simply select this column and change the vertical alignment to middle. So you can see our text is, our content is aligned to middle. You can do this for every column. Change the vertical alignment to middle. This one, middle. Select this one, change the middle. This one, change to middle. Again this one, and change the vertical alignment to middle. So hopefully you know the difference between the master sections and the inner sections, and you can see how easily we have created our services section in just a few minutes. So this is very easy way to create these kind of websites. Thanks for watching.